And what is up, y'all? I'm back with another one. Hey, sidekick.
Ain't no damn sidekick, nigga.
This is my sidekick right here, man.
Motherfucking assistant, ain't no damn sidekick.
Same thing. Sidekick better than being an assistant. I'd rather be a sidekick, bitch. My other one right here. Sidekick number 2. Alright, y'all. Anyways, back again with another video. We got another how-to video today. And today I got a 2000 Ford Expedition with a 5.4 in it. And today we're gonna be doing the upper intake because this one's leaking over here in the corner. It's leaking all down in there. As soon as you hit the gas, it spits out more and more fluid. So we're gonna get on that today. And the first thing we're gonna do is remove all of this top stuff, auto body, EGR, all the coils, and the fuel rails. And then after I finish that up, we're gonna get back to it. So yeah, let's get that done first. Am I even recording? Am I recording, guys? Let me know. Yeah, I'm recording. Just kidding. Oh yeah, just by the way, guys, I let the air out of these tires because these trucks are very big and I'm not that tall, so I don't got time to be leaning over trying to jump up on the truck. I let the 2 front tires air out and it gets a dip in it. Perfect to work on. It's a little tip just in case you guys want to try it out on this. I gotta get at my shot, man. Alright, so got that bit out. Quick, fast, and then where's the lighting at? Right there, yeah. I got my earrings. I look a mess. Yeah, so we got that bit out. And as you can see, I didn't have to check out none of my coils. I left all the coils in, just unloosen the bolts. And yeah. That's pretty much how you do it right there. It's very simple, it's nothing too hard. A couple bolts and screws, a little bit of hard places, but nothing that can't be done. And yeah, you in there. So I guess that's gonna conclude my video for today. I'm not showing y'all how to put it back in, I just showed y'all how to take it out. Y'all can figure the rest out on y'all own. Once again, thank you all for watching as always, and I will see you guys in another one.